The bus has gone.
Don't worry. Miss Rabbit will realise she's left us behind.
Bong, bing, boo. Bing, bong, bing. Bing, bong, bingly, bongly, boo.
All together now!
Bong, bing,
Nobody has noticed Madame Gazelle and Pedro are missing.
bong, bingly, bong.
Who wants to try and lift Madame Gazelle?
Me! I can't lift her.
Madame Gazelle is too heavy for one child to lift.
Let's try 2 children.
She's very heavy.
Madame Gazelle is too heavy for 2 children to lift.
Let's try 3 children.
It takes 3 children to lift Madame Gazelle.
Could I ask one of you to call my phone, please?
I can ring you, Madame Gazelle, but is it not easier to talk to you?
I have lost my phone. If you call it, we will hear it ringing.
And then you will find your phone. I understand. Brilliant.
Oh, it's in my handbag.
It was in your handbag all the time.
Yes, sorry about that, everyone.
Steady, steady, go!
The marble is going all around the room.
Ooh, it's going all around the world. There it goes. Dinosaur. Where's it going now?
The marble has rolled out of the bedroom, down the stairs, through the hallway, and into the front room.
The whole house is a marble run. It's bouncing everywhere.
Ah! Goldie the fish! Phew!
Looking for muddy puddles, splishy, splashy puddles. Looking for muddy puddles, a-la-da-dee-da-doo. We can do anything I buy your side. Give it a try and justify. Let's see what this day will bring. Jump, jump, let's jump in. Let's jump in. Jumping with both feet. I'll buy your side. Make a really big splash. Phew! Made it.
Come on, Peppa. In we go.
Today, Peppa and her family are visiting a Japanese shop.
We just need a bag of rice, so let's not get distracted. Eyes on the prize, okay, George?
But George isn't the one getting distracted.
My go! Ah! Oh! Ah! Ah! Oh! I did it! Hooray!
Now it is George's turn.
There you go, George.
Oh.
Ooh, it's a big gap, isn't it, George? Would you like some help? Woo! And woo! Hooray!
Raise your arms. Imagine that you are beautiful swans.
Your house is ready!
3, 2, 1. It's finished!
Come on, let's take a look.
Today, Peppa's family are excited to explore their house, which has just been made even better.
Oh, it's empty. George, be careful not to knock anything over. It's not funny. Ready or not, here I come.
Freddy is looking for Susie with his eyes closed. He is sniffing where Susie Sheep has walked, round the tree, behind the little bush, and back up the hill.
Found you! Oh! All thanks to my nose. It's a super nose! Yes, it is. It's a big slide! Whee! Whee! Whoa! Whee! Wow! It's a big dinosaur!
Yes, it's my whopping, ginormous dinosaur slide! Ah!
Where's the fire?
My Tiddles is up a tree.
What, again? Emergency! Emergency! Tortoise up a tree!
I don't know why you like climbing trees so much. You're a tortoise.
Stand back! Tiddles! Come on, Tiddles!
Hooray! Thank you, Miss Rabbit.
Just doing my job.
She's finally asleep.
Quick, let's eat, nap, shower, and clean the house. In 10 minutes.
Or just sit and blink. That sounds easier.
I blinked yesterday. I'm still tired.
Honestly, I envy her. Warm blanket, no responsibilities.
And everyone applauds when she burps.
When you burp, it clears the room.
It's a gift.
Shh, she moved.
I didn't even breathe.
Exactly, keep doing that.
If she opens one eye, I'm diving behind the sofa.
Peppa, why are you standing so still?
I'm practicing being invisible.
Is that a broken plate behind you?
No, it's modern art.
It looks very smashed for modern art.
It slipped while dancing.
The plate was dancing?
Yes, it twirled, spun, and then splatted.
And who was the DJ for this plate dance?
George, I mean, Gravity.
Then Gravity is on dish duty tonight.
Am I a bird? Am I a plane? No! I'm a potato! Oh dear, Super Potato is stuck in the cinema roof.
Daddy, are you hiding behind the curtains?
No, I'm a curtain ghost.
You're holding cookies.
Ghosts get snack breaks too.
Mummy said no snacks before dinner.
Then I'm haunting the fridge next.
Ghosts don't eat chocolate chip biscuits.
This one does, especially the crumbly kind.
I'm telling Mummy.
Tell her I vanished into Snackland.
Wash, wash, wash your hands, wash them nice and clean. Bubbly, scrubbly, scrubbly, bubbly, wash them nice and clean.
It will take them ages to find my eggs.
I think I can smell chocolate.
Freddy Fox has a very good sense of smell.
Yes.
Freddy Fox has found a chocolate egg in the middle of the bird bath.
There, Peppa. That's how tall you are.
I'm taller than I was before.
That's because you're growing up, Peppa.
Now George's turn. There, George. That's how tall you are.
I wish I had a little brother like George. Really? Hello, I'm Danny Dog. Is that a dinosaur? It's just a toy dinosaur. Grrr, dinosaur. Brilliant. Dinosaur. Grrr.
Peppa and Daddy Pig are playing drafts.
I win, Daddy.
Oh, well done, Peppa.
Peppa, George and Daddy Pig are making yummy heart-shaped pancakes.
Now for the fun bit, whisking.
This is fun.
Peppa loves whisking. Peppa really loves whisking.
Careful. If you make too much mess, we won't have enough mix to make Valentine's pancakes. Aha! It will take them ages to find my eggs.
Hooray! An egg for me.
Emily Elephant has found a chocolate egg in the branches of a tree.
Happy birthday, Daddy Pig.
Thank you, everyone. Wow, what a lot of candles.
That's because you are very, very old, Daddy.
Ho, ho, ho.
Father Christmas.
At our front door.
Yes, I decided not to use the chimney this time. I had this large present to deliver again.
My quadcopter! Grandpa Pig loves his drone. Everyone loves drones.
Merry Christmas!
Mum, we might not have room for all this.
I'm sure we'll find room. There. See?
Oh, thank you, Charlotte. The lamp can go in the corner.
Okay. Oh, but it needs room to breathe.
It can't breathe, Granny. It's a lamp.
Ah, c'est magnifique.
Interesting.
All right.
You've got lots of clean teeth, Mummy. Here's a sticker for being so brave. Don't forget to brush your teeth. Who's next? After wars and it zooms across the sea very noisily. Zooms across the sea, the hovercraft roars and it zooms across the sea, and we love to sail together. Bobbing up and down, and we love to sail together.
This is the life, eh? The sea and the sky, and the boat sailing by.
I love sailing.
Count of 3. 1, 2, go! You started too soon. Catch me if you can, water hog. Sea dog. Is that as fast as you can go? Can't catch me. I win.
Is it lunchtime yet, Granny?
Oh, my poor darlings, you must be starving.
Let's make that tomato salad. First, we slice the tomatoes. Add a little splash of olive oil, a shake of pepper, a teeny tiny pinch of salt, and finish the whole thing off with these lovely basil leaves. Tuck in, everyone.
Marvellous tomatoes.
Thanks to my greenhouse. Beautiful basil.
Thanks to my greenhouse.
This is the best tomato salad in the world ever! Grandpa's little train goes choo-choo-choo, choo-choo-choo, choo-choo-choo. Grandpa's little train goes choo-choo-choo all day long. Woohoo! The treasure train is on its way! Choo-choo! Yay!
Peppa Pig and Danny Dog are driving a train full of gold. silver and...
Broccoli!
Is broccoli treasure?
Yes, it's special broccoli made of sparkly diamonds.
Peppa and Danny aren't really driving a train. They're using their imagination to pretend.
Hooray!
Stop! In the name of... robbers!
Oh no! Pedro Pony and Susie Sheep are pretending to be train robbers.
Can we have all your treasure, please? I can't wait to see the cakes. Huh? Oh, why is this shoe here? Oh,
That's not a shoe. It's my cake.
what is tie-dye, Madam Gazelle?
Tie-dye is a special way of painting T-shirts using lots of different colours, like this. Oh, I thought we were dyeing ties. It's my granddad's.
Peppa's playgroup are at the toothpaste factory.
And that's how toothpaste is made. Understood?
Not really.
Oh, well, it's more important to know how to brush your teeth. This way.
The toothpaste factory has fun games to teach everyone about brushing their teeth.
Move the toothpaste, then push the button to squeeze out just the right amount. And how much is the right amount?
Just a small splodge.
Peppa and her family have bought lots of food at the supermarket. And now they have very rumbly tummies.
What's for dinner? My tummy's making lots of noises.
Tonight, we're making tacos.
Yay! What's a tacto? And how do you make them?
It's a delicious food from Mexico. And the best way to make tacos is all together.
Rice, noodles, vegetable rolls.
And a special surprise for afterwards.
Peppa and George don't know what the special surprise is.
I love rice.
And I love my spicy noodles. They're my favorite.
Ooh, they might be my favourite too. Can I try some?
Yes, but just try a tiny bit.
I love noodles. Oh, but they are a bit spicy.
Spicy noodles are not Peppa's favourite. Today, Peppa and her family are at the supermarket, doing their weekly shop.
Beep.
They're using a special machine to beep their shopping as they go.
We have potatoes, milk, bread.
Oh, careful!
Whoa!
Hey!
Peppa and her friends are going to the sweet shop.
Hello, Miss Rabbit. I'd like to buy everything in the sweet shop, please. Here is my coin.
Peppa and her friends each have 1 coin to buy a sweet with.
Here is my coin too. And mine. And mine.
Wow, what a lot of money. But I'm afraid it's not enough to buy everything in the shop.
Oh, yes.
1 coin is perfect for trying my new sweet-making machines, though. Just choose a machine, pop your coin in the slot and push the big red button.
Strawberry laces!
This boat will take you through a lovely garden and it's your job to water all the flowers.
With what, Miss Rabbit?
With these.
Oh, I wish our watering cans did this. Woo! Whoosh!
Can I have a go, please, Mummy?
Of course.
Today, George and Daddy Pig are at the supermarket.
What a fun extraterrestrial excursion into the vacuum of space!
Where is Mummy Pig? She's supposed to be picking us up in the car. Ah, well, whilst we wait, you might as well go on the rocket ride. Zoom!
Today, Peppa and her family are at the supermarket. They're going to pay for their shopping at the till.
Huh? Sorry, got to nip to the loo. Use the self-checkout if you like.
The self-checkout lets you scan and pay for your shopping all by yourself.
It's a big shopping robot.
Would you two like to scan the shopping?
Yes, please.
Hello, customers.
Hello, shopping robots.
Please place bags in the bagging area.
There's lots to do on the party bus.
Hello, Mrs. Alien. Have you seen Susie? I am Susie. I'm not really an alien.
But I am a robot. I'm a star.
And I'm a space princess.
Today, Peppa and her family are making special Halloween treats.
These monster eyes are tasty.
Why don't you two decorate these cupcakes while I finish making dinner?
Hooray!
Splendid! Here you are.
Daddy Pig is making the icing for Peppa and George to decorate the cupcakes.
The colours are changing. Magic! Halloween!
Peppa, why don't you play in the living room? Oh, you can use these sticky notes to make some pictures.
OK, Mummy. Yay!
That's better.
Today, Peppa and her family have been at the supermarket. Outside the supermarket is a toy machine.
Yay!
Ooh!
Mandy Mouse has got a toy.
Look, Mummy! A yo-yo!
Well done, Mandy. Peppa, George, would you like a go on the toy machine?
Yes, please. How does it work, Miss Rabbit?
You just buy a token and put it in the slot. Then a ball rolls all the way down to the bottom of the machine and there's a special surprise toy inside.
When I'm grown up, I will play football every day. With robots. On a pirate ship. In space.
Today, Peppa and her friends are drawing pictures of themselves when they're grown up.
What have you drawn, Susie? This is me, and I'm on the moon. Ooh! I'll be an astronaut.
Today, Peppa and George are playing grown-ups.
Oh gosh, where is my bag and my hat? We're off to work now, Mummy.
Oh, and what job do you think you'd enjoy when you're grown up?
Dinosaur!
George wants to be a dinosaur.
I think I would enjoy being a dentist.
Everyone is busy decorating pumpkins. There has been a power cut, which has made all the lights in the house turn off.
Oh dear, there must be something wrong with the electricity. Don't worry, I'll get the torches. Oh my!
Mummy Pig has found the torches.
Here we go. Now we can all see. But I'm afraid the pumpkins will have to wait until we fix the electricity.
I know. We can look for ghosts in the dark.
The go-kart race has begun.
This is fun!
But Susie Sheep is pedalling backwards.
Try pedalling forward, Susie.
Forward? Oh! There!
Woohoo!
Danny Dog is pedalling very quickly.